Everyone talks about investing in yourself and how the investment in yourself is going to make you the most money and give you the biggest ROI. But nobody tells you how to actually invest in yourself. And as an entrepreneur for 10 years now, I believe I finally understand how to truly invest in yourself and what that actually looks like. So these are just my thoughts on investing in yourself and the things that have given me the biggest ROI in my career and then also as an entrepreneur. And so I hope you can learn from it, and I hope it helps you out on your journey. Now, when I was an employee, investing in myself meant leveling up my skills. And so one of the biggest impacts on my income that I did was actually go through an MIT extra certification and a course, which allowed me to really get a lot more tech companies, because I was in the tech industry at the time, looking at me and saying, oh, wow, he has gone through MIT, and so clearly he must know his stuff. And so that instantly gave me almost like a doubling of my salary. So that was a huge, huge upgrade. And so I think when you're an employee, leveling up your skills, right? Like taking a Google Ads course or taking an extra certification through like a university, leveling up those skills, I think is one of the best ways you can start to instantly increase your income and find better jobs. And also, if you're just trying to find a better job, just go through a recruiter, let them do the work for you. And second, as an entrepreneur, investing in yourself looks very different. Investing in yourself could literally be this, just going for a walk in the forest with nobody around and to just think and meditate. That could be investing in yourself. It could also mean that you learn how to run Google Ads and pay $1,000 for an online course, and then you go and drop $10,000 in Google Ads and you get 0 leads. You get 0 customers, 0 sales. That is also what investing in yourself looks like. It also looks like buying a bunch of books and reading a bunch of books. And some of them you don't even read. And most of them you don't even take any action on at all. But you take one piece of advice away from one book and it completely changes your business, and it ends up resulting in not just tens of thousands of dollars, but hundreds of thousands of dollars of new revenue for your business, because that's what that system or that tactic has unlocked for you. It also looks like investing in a course that you then realize, this isn't my skill set. I'm not good at making short form videos, so maybe I should stick with long form YouTube videos. And it also looks like putting in the work for months, if not years on end, without seeing any results. What I mean by that is I've been creating YouTube videos for, I think, 6 years now. And honestly, the first 2.5 years, I basically got 0 out of it. In terms of revenue, in terms of clients, I got 0. But putting in that time, spending money on a camera, spending money on courses, learning how to shoot YouTube videos, investing in people to build thumbnails for me, and then learning from those thumbnails, buying AI software like vidIQ to learn how to do search engine optimization on YouTube. All of that was an investment in myself, because eventually it did pay off. So investing in yourself as an entrepreneur does not look as clearly related as investing in yourself as like an employee trying to get a better job. I want you to take away from this the fact that investing in yourself is the right thing to do, but it might be very unclear what the ROI is for sometimes years, if not months. So perseverance and focus is going to be what really turns your thing into a profitable thing. I hope this helped. And as always, if you want help building your marketing strategy, join the Autogrowth Academy using the link below this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information like this. Peace out.